Everyone knows what an envelope is, and you must have used one at some point, but have you ever wondered how paper envelopes are made? This factory manufactures envelopes in a range of different sizes, shapes, and materials. But there are more than 200,000 paper envelopes made every day. So let's unbox Sagar Sales envelope making factory. Today we've arrived in Delhi. In this factory, the entire process is digitally managed by the Factory Plus mobile application. How? Well, we'll explain in this video. Today we will see the complete process of A4 size and check size paper envelope production. Firstly, let's see how A4 envelopes are made. Envelope making starts with the finest quality white paper. First, the paper is placed into the die punching machine. After cutting, it starts to take the shape of an envelope. Then, extra paper is removed and it's sent for the next process. Before that, the supervisor updates the quantity in the Factory Plus app. And the factory owner can watch it live. For final shaping, the paper is placed in a folding and pasting machine. The paper is folded and glue is applied to it. The process is completely automatic and so satisfying to see. When 50 envelopes are complete, the machine separates the envelopes simultaneously. Every process is updated by a supervisor in the Factory Plus app. Finally, the A4 size envelope is ready. Then the envelopes are packed. There are different types of envelopes made by Sagar Sales, such as the A4 size envelope, check size envelope, white envelope, craft envelope, laminated envelope, window envelope, and cloth envelope. On the other side of the factory, check size envelopes are made. Let's see the complete process. The check-sized envelope making process begins with the same finest quality white paper. Now the paper is cut through a punching machine and sent for the next process. The paper is folded and pasted automatically in the machine. You'll be amazed to know that 415 envelopes are made in just 1 minute. And that means 25,000 envelopes can be made in just 1 hour. Finally, the check-sized envelopes are ready for packaging. With the app, factory owners can track from raw materials to dispatch. Do you also want to manage your factory digitally? Sign up today. A link is in the description. Now envelopes are being packed as per the size. I hope you enjoyed the factory tour and the unboxing of the paper envelopes making process. Which process did you find most interesting? Comment below. Finally, the paper envelopes are ready to use. Subscribe to us for more factory unboxing videos. Like the video and don't forget to share it with your friends. Stay connected, be updated.